Hello children, welcome back to computer class. Today we are going to start chapter number 10, that is menus in Paint. Okay, in Paint application, on the ribbon you will find three main menus or three main sections. First is File menu, second is Home menu, and third is View menu. Okay, now one by one we are going to see each of the menu and what it contains, which options it contains, which menu is for what purpose. Okay, we are going to see all these things in this chapter. So let us start quickly. Topics that we will be covering in today's class are, first we will see about ribbon, what tools it contains, what menus it contains. Then we will see the file menu. Then we will see quick access toolbar, which is located at the top of the Paint application. On the top of the Paint window it is located. And third is the view menu. Okay, all these things we are going to see. First let us learn about ribbon. Now on your screen you can see the image of the ribbon of Paint application. Okay, in the Paint application there is a ribbon at the top of the window, and it contains different drawing tools. Okay, now on your screen you can see an image. In that image you can see the three main menus: File, Home and View menu. Okay, these three menus, suppose for example, now we are going to see inside the Home tab, you can see different drawing tools, different sections of each tool. Okay, the Home tab contains the following groups: clipboard, we will find one section of clipboard, then image section, tools section, shape section and color section. Okay, inside the Home tab again various tools are present, and the tools are divided in different sections. Okay, fine. Ribbon is nothing but it consists of different drawing tools. Okay, and tabs, there are three tabs present in Paint window. Inside the ribbon of Paint window, tabs in the ribbon are again subdivided into groups. Fine, we will see it practically how to move inside the different menus also. Next menu we are going to see about the file menu. Okay, some options of the file menu are, you can see the very first menu which is present on the ribbon is file menu. When you click on the file menu, a drop down list appears on the screen, as you can see on the image which is present on the right side of your screen. Okay, now, when you click on the file menu, a drop down list appears on the screen. Now, from that list, few of the options, we will study its purpose. Okay, of the few options, first option is new. When you click on new option from that list, it helps you create a new drawing, a new picture. Okay, then open, it allows you to open an existing picture. If you click on that open button or open option, it will allow you to open the previously uh, created drawing. Okay, then next is save. When you are done with the drawing, the save option, it helps you to save the changes made to the picture. Suppose you have made any drawing and you have saved it, but again when you do the changes to that drawing, the save option, it helps you to save the changes that you have made to your drawing. Okay, then next is set as desktop background. Now, this function sets the picture as the background on the desktop. Okay, if you click on this set as desktop background option, this function, it helps us to set the drawing as the background image on the desktop. Okay, next option is quick access toolbar. some of the options of the quick access toolbar are, now quick access toolbar is present at the top of the screen, okay. Whichever functions you are using more frequently, okay, that functions you can customize, you can locate it at this quick access toolbar to easily access any of the option, okay. Now for example, undo, redo and exit button is already present by default on the quick access toolbar, fine. Now you can also add any of the option that you want on the quick access toolbar, whichever option you use more, that option you can add in this quick access toolbar so that you can easily access the your favorite options, okay. Now some options of the quick access toolbar are undo, it cancels the last function or action. Suppose for example you have done and you have used any function, but afterwards you realize that you don't want that function in your drawing, okay. So you can use this undo button, it cancels the whichever is the last function performed, it cancels that, okay. Redo is it repeats the last function or action, whichever function you have used last and you want to use it again, you can use this redo option. Then next is exit, it when you click on exit, it closes the paint application, okay. Before exiting the paint application, you must save your drawing um, to get access to it easily after you again open the paint application, okay. And if you have not saved, suppose you forgot to save your drawing, then when you click on exit button, it asks you to save your drawing first, okay, whether you want to save it or not, fine. So it again asks you, okay. By clicking on exit option, it will help us to get out of the paint application, it closes the paint application, okay. These are some of the options which are present on quick access toolbar. We can also add or delete any option in this quick access toolbar. As you can see on the screen on the right side, you can see one image, okay, on the quick access toolbar which is present on the top of the file menu. At the top of the screen there are some options present over there, and there is one drop down arrow also present over there. When you click on that, a list appears on the screen, and from that list you can select or you can cancel whichever option you wanted on the screen on the quick access toolbar, okay, according to your requirements, fine. Next option is the view menu. Some of the options of view menu are, first is zoom. This option is displayed on the left hand side of the ribbon. When you click on the view menu, various uh, tools, various options, various sections appears on the screen, okay. Inside view menu there are three sections, as you can see on the image which is present on the screen. First is zoom section, second is show or hide, third is display, okay. Now when inside the zoom section, this option is displayed on the left hand side of the ribbon, and inside this section there are three options: zoom in, zoom out or 100%, fine. When you want to view your drawing on according to the percentage, then you can click on that 100% option. Then zoom in, zoom out. Zoom in is used to view the drawing more closer, okay. When you want to view your drawing more closer, then you can use this zoom in option, and after using zoom in, when you want to come out of that zoom in area, then you can use the zoom out option, okay. Then show or hide. It allows you to display the rulers, grid lines and status bar in the working area. Whichever option you will select, that option will be displayed on the screen, and whichever option is not selected, that option will be not displayed on the screen, okay. Suppose you want only status bar, to be displayed on the screen. So you can select that status bar by marking again in the box which is present against the status bar. Okay. Then next is display. This option is used to view the picture full screen or thumbnail mode. Okay, when you want to view your drawing or picture in full screen, that time you can use this display option. Okay, so this was all about the view menu, and there are three menus as we have discussed earlier. There are three menus in Paint application. First is file, second is home, and third is view. Okay. Fine, now we will see practically how to move inside this file menu, view menu. Okay, so let us see. So when you open the Paint application, okay, this is the first window you will get. In last chapters we have seen how to open the Paint application. When you open it, this is the first window you will get, and now currently by default we are in Home tab. Okay, inside the Home tab, these are the sections available, these are the options available. Okay, now this Home tab is again subdivided in various sections. Okay, and this whole section is called as ribbon. Okay, it consists of different drawing tools. Inside Home tab there are various drawing tools available, and this all tools comes inside the ribbon. Okay, this whole area is called the ribbon. Okay, it can, as you know, that ribbon consists of different drawing tools. Okay, inside this Home tab. Now when you click on this view menu, you can see that inside view menu ribbon, these are the options available, and when you click on the file menu, this is the list, drop down list will appear on the screen. Okay, and you can use the option that you want according to your requirements. For saving your drawing inside your computer, you can use save option. Okay, and when you want to save your drawing in particular folder, then you can use the save as option. Okay, when you are done with the drawing very newly, then you have to click on save as, and when you do any changes after saving, when you do any changes to your drawing and to save that changes, you can click on save option. Okay, and when you want to print your drawing, you can click on print option. Fine, when you click on new option, it allows you to create a new drawing. When you click on the new option, it allows you to create the new drawing. When you click on open option, it allows you to open the existing picture. Fine, so this was all about the file menu. Home menu tools we have seen already in last chapters. Okay, view menu, zoom in, zoom out. View menu contains three sections. Inside this view menu, as you can see on this ribbon, there are three sections available inside view menu: zoom, show or hide, and display. Fine, and on the top of this ribbon, here at the corner you can see there are few options available, and this on the top of the ribbon, what that area is called as quick access toolbar. Okay, a toolbar is present, and that is called as quick access toolbar, because when you are using any option very frequently, when you need, you can add or that option to this quick access toolbar to get easily access. You don't have to search it again and again. You can also add your options to this quick access toolbar. You can delete it by clicking on this drop down arrow which is present at the end of this quick access toolbar. When you click on the drop down arrow, you can see that whichever option you want, you can select it and you can add it to your quick access toolbar. Fine, so this was all about the menus in Paint. I am attaching one worksheet with this video. You need to solve that worksheet and send it on my email.